Today we are going to study the topic discount. What is the meaning of discount? Nowadays, especially in this festival season, when we go to the shop, we can see in the shop, in the shopping malls or any of the shops, we can see the display board saying that 20% discount, 30% discount, yeah, 50% discount. What is the meaning? If the article costs rupees 100, they may be giving it for 75 rupees. That is called a discount. Marked price, the price written is 100 rupees. Now the shopkeeper is giving the offer. We will be able to purchase it for 75 rupees. That means how much profit? We are getting a profit of 25 rupees. Yeah, we can say it is a discount. I am getting a discount of 25 rupees because of festival season. They are saying because of Diwali season, now we are giving offer. Yeah, sometimes after the winter, yeah, after the summer, off-season sale. Off-season because season is going to change. So they will say we have to keep the new stock. So we are clearing the sale. Stock clearance sale. That is called a stock clearance sale. So they are going to finish off that type of things. So they have to empty the store, this shop in order to accommodate with the new stock. So they are doing all these discount. Which are the new terms here? First one is marked price. What is the meaning of marked price? Marked price MP. Marked price means the price. What is marked on that? What is written? MRP we say sometimes. Marked retail price. So marked price 100 means the cost is 100 rupees. And then the person is selling it for selling price. Selling price. The person is selling it for rupees 75. So selling price is 75. Marked price, selling price. Now discount. What is the meaning of discount? I got it for rupees 25 less. I got it for 75. That means 100 minus 75. I got 25 rupees discount. Discount. Then we have discount person. Discount person. What is the meaning of discount person? Sometimes we use the letter D. Discount percentage. I got 25 rupees discount. 25 upon 100 into 100. 25 out of 100. 25 upon 100 into 100. This 100 is MP. Marked price. I got 25 rupees discount from marked price 100 into 100. In order to get a percentage, multiply with 100. So 25% is discount percent. Sometimes we can see the word list price. What is the meaning of list price? LP. List price is exactly same as marked price. Okay. In some of the items like TV, on the TV it will not be printed the price. If there is a printing mark on that one, it becomes very awkward. So instead of printing on the article refrigerator or fridge, instead of printing it on the article, one list will be there which is sent by the company. Showing the displaying the price of each and every product. Suppose TVs of this much bigger size, this model, this price, another model, another price, etc. So we can ask for that one. They will show the list. Shopkeeper will show the list sent by the company. Instead of marking it on the item, it is marked it is written in a proper list because different models are there. So accordingly, the price will be there. Okay. Now, which are the formula we have to by heart for this? First is discount. Discount equal to marked price minus selling price. Okay. Discount equal to marked price minus selling price. Suppose I need a selling price. What is the formula? Selling price means marked price minus discount. Not for by heart and simply we can think and say. Suppose I need 75, I got it 25 rupees. So what is the price? Item was of 100 rupees and I got 25 discount means 75 only I have to give. I am getting the offer of 25 rupees. So 100 minus 25, 75 only I have to give selling price. Now, what is the market price? Marked price means selling price plus discount. Why? Marked price 100. 7. I purchased it for 75 and I got a discount at 25. Purchased it for 75 and I got a discount at 25. That means originally the price was 100. 75 plus 25. Selling price is 75, discount is 25. So, selling price plus discount is marked price. Marked price means bigger one marked price, remember it. From bigger marked price, MP, then SP, then this is discount percent. Okay. So, in order to get discount, MP minus SP, SP needed means subtraction, MP needed means addition. Now, discount percent. Why? What is discount percent? Discount percent means discount upon MP into 100. Discount percent. Discount percent means discount upon MP into 100. I hope it is clear. Always you have to remember discount percentage is connected with MP. Like profit percentage. Profit percentage means profit upon CP into 100. Loss percentage, loss upon CP into 100. Original thing is CP. But here original thing is marked price. From the marked price, discount is given. Marked price 100. So discount is connected with that only. Discount percentage is equal to. Now we have two more formula to by heart. Suppose we have to calculate MP. MP means 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent into SP. Suppose SP is given and I have to calculate MP. MP equal to 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent into SP. Directly discount percentage is given, SP is given. So this formula can be used. Suppose SP needed, just opposite, SP needed. SP needed means 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MP. SP needed means 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MP. MP already given. For this we have two options. MP is already given, we can calculate a discount and then we can subtract. So this formula is not a necessary formula, but this is becoming a necessary formula. Because SP is already given, from SP we cannot calculate a discount. So we use this formula. But this one we have two options. Either using this formula, otherwise MP given means find a discount, then subtraction we will get. Okay. So anyway, we will by heart this formula also, so that the things can be done easily in one step itself. This much formula we have to by heart. We are keeping in the box it showing that it is important for by hearting. Something for by hearting means we keep it in the box. You know it already. Okay. Now on something to remember especially. What is that? Discount percent is connected with MP, not with the SP. Discount percent is connected with the MP. Okay. Now we will do few questions. Okay, from the exercise itself we can start. Exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Okay. Question number 3. Marked price of a book is rupees 200. That means MP. MP equal to rupees 200. Marked price is 200. What would be its selling price if the seller gives 25% discount? Discount percent is given already. Discount percentage is 25%. What is the selling price? What is the selling price? MP is given, discount percentage is given. So for this I have two options. Yeah, before doing this, let me show some examples. Okay, before this, yeah, we will start with some not with exercise. Before that, one or two examples we will do. Example 1. Okay, if marked price is of an article is rupees 500. If marked price of an article is rupees 500, and the discount person is 20%, find discounter, and its SP. Find its SP. Okay. So what they are saying? Marked price of an article is 500. That means MP is equal to rupees 500. Discount percentage is what is discount percentage? 20%. So we can calculate discount. Discount equal to what is discount? 20% of MP. That is 20% of 500. That is 20 by 100 into 500. That is rupees 100 rupees profit we are getting, means a discount we are getting. Therefore SP is equal to, what is SP? SP is equal to marked price minus discount. Marked price was 500, 500 minus 100, I am getting rupees, I am getting it for rupees 400, 100 rupees is my discount. Another question. If marked price is rupees 4,000 and SP is rupees 3,500, find the discount percent. Marked price is given as rupees 4,000. Okay. Now SP is there. I got it for rupees 3,500. So I got the discount. What is the discount? Discount is equal to MP minus SP. 4,000 minus 3,500. That is rupees 500 discount. Now I can find a discount person. Discount person means a discount upon MP. Upon MP into 100. Remember, discount person means discount upon MP into 100. That is discount is 500 upon MP. MP was 4,000 into 100. Cancelled. One more zero cancelled. It is becoming 2 and 25. 25 by 2. 12.5% discount I got. I hope it is clear. Now we can go to the exercise. Exercise 6.3. Question number 4. A shirt with a marked price 500. Marked price MP. MP equal to rupees 500. Sold it for rupees 350. SP is equal to rupees 350. Rate of discount. First we have to find a discount. What is the discount? Discount is equal to MP minus SP. 500 minus 350, that is rupees 150. Discount percent. Discount upon MP into 100. 150 by 500 into 100. 30% discount. Question number 3. Marked price of a book is rupees 200. Marked price is rupees 200. What would be its selling price? Selling price question mark. Selling price if seller gives 25% discount. Discount percent is given as 25%. So we can calculate a discount. No issue. Discount equal to 25% of marked price. Discount percentage is directly connected with the market price. Market price is already given 25 by 100 into market price 200. 50 rupees discount. Discount is 50. So we can calculate SP. What is the formula for SP? SP is equal to marked price minus discount. That is marked price. Marked price is 200 minus 50, that is rupees 150. Okay. Now, in order to do this question, if we want, we have one more option. One more formula is written. The one directly, instead of finding discount and then SP, we have a direct formula, that is SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into marked price. Into marked price. SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into marked price. So this is a direct formula. SP is equal to 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MP. So what we can do? 100 minus discount percent 25% upon 100 into MP. MP is given as 200. That is 75 by 100 into 200. 2 into 75 rupees 150. Directly we are getting. So both options are there. If you want, we can find a discount after that SP. Otherwise directly. This formula is connected with that formula which we studied earlier in SPCP chapter. Isn't it? There also we had that formula 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into that option. Yeah, opposite 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into. So in that style, another formula. Then another question. After question number 3. Now we will go to question number 8. Okay, after 3 and 4, we will go for question number 8. According to the difficulty level, I am changing the order. Question number 8. After allowing a discount of 12%. So it is not a discount percent 12%. 12% discount percent on the market price of the article. It is sold for rupees 880. SP given. SP is equal to rupees 880. Now my question, what to do? Can we calculate a discount? Can we write a discount equal to 12% of 880? Is it okay? No. Why? Because discount percentage is connected with the MP, not with the SP. Discount equal to 12% of MP, which is not given. Okay, so we don't have the option. Previous question we had 2 options. First calculating discount and then thinking about the SP. But here we don't have that option. Here because 12% of 880 means it is a wrong concept. 12% of MP. So we have another option, that is the formula which we already studied. So MP equal to, what is the formula for MP? 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent into SP. This formula is like a CP formula. CP is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. Yeah, profit means CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into SP, which we studied in that topic. So why CP means CP and here comparison is there. MP is can be compared with the CP, because when there is SPCP, business, SPCP means CP is original thing, cost price, and selling for SP. and when there is a discount, MP is becoming original thing. Originally there is a price, that is MP, and then selling it for SP. So now we are not worrying about CP. Whatever be the CP, the person is marked it as the rate is written as MP, and then giving the SP. So original thing is MP. So original thing needed means this formula 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent. Here also original thing needed means 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage, otherwise 100 plus profit percentage. Okay. So it is becoming 100 divided by 100 minus 12 into 880 SP. That is 100 divided by 88 into 880. 10 times, that is rupees 1000. Directly we are getting the answer using this formula. That is the use of this formula. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then now we will go for which order, which question? 3, 4 we did, question number 8 also we did. Then now we will go for question number 5 itself. Question number 5. A shopkeeper offers his customers a 10% discount. Discount person is 10% and still makes a profit of 26%. 26% because he is a businessman, he knows the business. He will be giving discount also, and then he will make the profit also, surely. 26% profit. What is the cost price of the article marked at price? Marked at rupees 280. Marked at rupees 280. Marked price is 280. Now discounted 10%, profit also 26%. Question is a CP. CP equal to question mark. Now the question is, how can we start? Many things are given. How can we start? Marked price is 280 given. Marked price is connected with the discount percentage only. There is a connection between these two things, marked price and discount percentage. No connection with the profit. Profit percentage and marked price, no connection. So these two are connected. So we will start with this. Marked price, discount means we have the formula for SP. What is the formula for SP? Suppose I need SP, then 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into SP into MP. SP needed means 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MP. That is 100 minus 10 upon 100 into, what is MP? 280. 90 by 100 into 280. Cancelled, zeros cancelled. 9 into 28. What is 9 into 28? 252. So SP is 252. Now we have second part. Second part means SP already we got. SP is connected with the profit percentage, we know. This SP is connected with the profit percent. So we can write the formula for CP. What is the formula for CP? 100 divided by 100 minus profit percentage. So plus profit percent into SP. The formula which we studied earlier. 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into SP, that is 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage at 26 into SP 252. 100 divided by 126 into 252 into 2 only. Direct calculation 126 into 2. If you are noticing, we can do directly, otherwise small numbers we will cut. So CP is going to be 200. So direct question we can say, if we know these two formula. Marked price is connected with the discount, so start with that one. Marked price and discount percentage. 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MP. So I'm getting answer. Now SP is connected with the profit percentage, so we will get a CP. I hope it is clear. Another question. Question number 6. 6 also same type. Exactly same we can say. Shopkeeper allows a 10% discount. Discount percent 10% on the marked price of the goods and still gets a profit of 25%. Profit percentage 25%. What is the cost price of the goods? If it is marked at 1250, marked price is rupees 1250. What is the cost price? CP they are asking. Exactly same thing. We have marked price and discount percentage direct connection. Formula for SP: 100 minus discount percent upon 100 into MP. 100 minus 10 upon 100 into MP. What is MP? 1250. 90 by 100 into 1250. 9 into 125. What is 9 into 125? 1125. 1125. 1125 is the SP. Now in the question it is written there is a profit percentage 25%. So formula for CP, we need CP. CP formula, CP is equal to, CP means 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into SP. This 1125 and 25% profit percentage, there is a connection. First these two things are connected now. Now these two are connected now. So formula 100 divided by 100 plus 25 into SP 1125. 100 upon 125 into 1125. 25 4 times, 25 5 times. Again cancellation. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 25. How much? 4 into 225. 4 into 200, that means 800. 800 and this one, that is 900. 900 answer. I hope it is clear. Exactly same as the previous question. Okay. Now we are going to the next question, that is question number 8, not 7, question number 8 now. 8, 9, 10, another type. Question number 8, after allowing a discount of 12%, discount percent 12% on the marked price of an article, it is sold for rupees 880, SP given, rupees 880. Achha, 8 was already done. 8 was already done earlier. That is a simple one, that's why. But now we will go for 9. 9, 10, 11, same type. 9. After allowing 10% off on the market price, 10% off, that means discount percent. Discount percentage is 10%. After allowing 10% off on the market price, a shopkeeper still gets a profit of 25%. Profit percentage 25%. If the cost price of the article is 180, CP is rupees 180, find the marked price. Marked price is question mark, what to do? Marked price is question mark, okay. Discount percentage is 10%, profit percentage is 25%, CP 180. What is the connection? CP connected with the profit percentage, we know. CP is not connected with the discount. CP and profit means a formula is there. Formula for SP. What is the formula for SP? SP means 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. SP needed. SP means 100 plus, because CP and profit is needed is there, means we can go for SP. 100 plus profit percent. Profit percent is 25 upon 100 into CP. What is CP? 180. 125 by 100 into 180. 4 times, 5 times, 290. Again 245. 45 into 5. 225 is SP. Now what we know? SP connected with the discount percent. SP and SP and discount percentage, there is connection. See, the tick is a different way. Okay, 3 tick. These two are connected. 1 tick, they are connected. So we have SP. Now we can write MP. What is the formula for MP? 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent into 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent into SP. That is 100 divided by 100 minus 10 into SP. SP is 225. 100 divided by 90 into 225. 0, 0 cancelled. 3 3s are 25 into 10. That is rupees 250 is the market price. 250 is the market price. Actually, see the business. Item is of 180. Shopkeeper made the MRP 250. Price tag he made 250 and then giving discount to 10%. No problem. He is getting profit again because he purchased it for 180, made the price tag with the 250 and selling it for 225. So all are happy. Shopkeeper is happy because he is getting profit. Now, customer is happy because customer is thinking that 250 item I am getting it for 225, so I am getting profit. So customer is also happy. Customer is thinking that I am getting 25 rupees discount because customer is seeing only 250. Price 250, getting it for 225 profit for a customer. But shopkeeper is knowing the real fact. Shopkeeper knows the fact that he purchased it for 180 and selling it for 225. This is nothing for him, isn't it? So he is also getting profit. All are happy. That is question number 9. Let us do one more question of same type. That is question number 10. Question number 10. What price should Sushila mark on a sari which cost her rupees 2200 CP rupees 2200, so as to gain 26% profit percentage 26%. After leaving a discount of 12%, discount percent also 12%. Okay, so money spent is 2200. So it is exactly the same. Previous question also, CP was given, question was market price. What to do? First you see the connection. CP and profit percentage connected. These two are connected. So we can write the formula for SP. What is the formula for SP? SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. 100 plus profit percentage 26 upon 100 into CP is 200. 126 upon 100 into 2200 cancelled. That is rupees 126. 126 into 22. That is going to be rupees 2772. This much SP. Now we know the formula for MP. Market price is equal to market price 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent into SP. That is 100 divided by 100 minus discount percent 12% into 2772. 100 divided by 88 into 2772. Cutting will be possible. After cutting we will get answer. Divide by 88. I am getting the answer, writing the answer directly because it is becoming lengthy. Video is becoming lengthy. Time shortage 3150. You can do the cutting. Surely we will get this answer. I hope this topic is clear. Okay. Now question number 11 is there. That is exactly same as this only. Question number 11. Okay, that you can do as a homework. Okay.